You plugged in, right?
Yeah. Power on?
No, nothing. I don't see it. You know what? And I plugged it in there. I thought it was the outlet, but it wasn't. I tried that drill.
No, no. Does not have the HDMI.
Okay.
Thanks, Evan. Drive safely, buddy.
Of course, I'll let you know when I'm trading off with Jeff.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, take care.
Thanks, Evan.
All right, bye-bye.
So, do we do that, or do I gotta restart the whole thing and do a name?
No, you got works, procedures, new.
New? Right here.
And then give it a name. We'll call this one Chop Test.
Can you name it? I'll just name it.
One. And then we'll highlight.
Okay.
Then we go to
Which is,
search. Yeah, then we,
your cycles, right?
yeah, then we go on the search and on-screen keyboard. Then click on the blue ball, hit insert, go to the drop down menu, start, okay, and then the three
That's
little,
where you put your segments, right?
yeah, and then underneath the start, highlight again, insert, choose heating from the drop down box, put the rate,
400? 280?
and temperature 1125, and then drop down again, highlight again, insert. From the drop down menu we'll press holding, and it's going to hold, say for like 87 minutes, click OK, then drop down, highlight again, insert. Cooling, we click OK. Click OK.
In temperature?
Oh, yep. You're correct.
We have to change that, right?
Yeah, you see, because this said no temperature change.
Right.
So
it's basically giving you the last segment you just entered, right?
Yeah.
You just got to change the temperature.
I'll open that again, and then we say like 400. So we'll end the cycle at 400. We click OK. Go to the blue bar again, insert, and then we'll say finish. We'll say OK. And then highlight shop test. Choose your thermocouples. You choose
all their thermocouples or whatever you're using.
yes, and then you see this little arrow.
Yep. Bar.
Yeah, hit that. Then you say close. Then you highlight your shop test. It'll show you what your chart will look like.
Okay.
Hit control.
Control.
Yeah. Hit start. So we hit control. We started it. Okay. Then hit scale.
Scale.
And then you're 1200 for say 24 hours. And hit the cycles button.
Okay, hey, that scale. What's the purpose of the scale? So it won't overshoot?
No, it's because like if you're on preheat, and
Yeah.
you can just go 600.
Okay.
So we'll do
Okay,
600.
so it'll go higher than whatever
Yeah, and then
your
say-
cooking is. Right?
Yeah, and then click OK. And then your thermocouples appear. Then you see your scale is only 0 to 600.
Okay.
So what you can do is highlight chop test again, hit scale, change it to 1200, hit OK. And then you see your thermocouple numbers?
Yes. So that's the
And then
the percentage.
It's your amperage.
The amperage. MCA
Yeah.
is your amperage. Okay.
And MP percent
Yeah.
is the
Percentage.
percentage of output. And there you go. It'll cycle away.
And you said MC is your amperage, right?
Yes. So that, as you can see, the cycle
Yeah.
is we're on heating cycle. We go to the little parameter button. Hit the parameters. Highlight chop test. Parameters. And then it shows you exactly what you're doing. Your MEF
Yeah.
here. It's saying that this one's -5. So this one's -3, -4, -4, -5, -2, -7.
Now, I mean, we'll see that right now because it just started, right? We gotta
Exactly.
wait till it gets above 100.
So,
Right. So to get to this here, like you were showing us right now,
And then you see here?
that little notepad.
yeah, you see here,
Yeah.
that's your thermocouples
Okay.
currently. So, we stop this and let it do its little cycle. And then we'll just watch it. And then once it goes through the cycle and everything, next lesson will be to do download the information and then